Hi, this is Ann Hackman Green Talk. Today I want to talk about making almond butter, making it at your house because it really tastes great and it's less expensive and it's really easy to do. Now I actually did it a little different than what you might see on the web. On the web you tend to see people who take the almonds and they roast them and then they process them. I, on the other hand, decided to soak my almonds so it's easier for me to digest them. So I soaked them for 24 hours. And then I dried them a little bit. I didn't dry them as much as I should have. Maybe some of you would want to put it in the dehydrator. I didn't. I wanted to see what it was like if I just dried them by hand with a towel and then processed them. So I chopped them up because I didn't have time to deal with them. And I put them in the refrigerator and they've been in there for a week or so, probably longer than they should be, but they're fine. And I decided, it's time to process them. So this is kind of what it looks like. I will tell you, it takes a lot longer to process almond butter when it has not been roasted. And I started using my smaller processor, and it didn't work as good. This is my smaller processor. I thought, I'll just make a small little batch. Believe me, it doesn't work. I think it just doesn't have the horsepower. So I use this. Some people use Vita mixes or bigger blenders or whatever that has more horsepower, but this food processor was fine. It's like a 25-year-old General Electric food processor, but it was fine. So this is kind of what it looks like. It's kind of clumpy. I probably could process a little bit more to make it smoother if I wanted to. I could add a little bit of oil if I wanted to at the end to kind of make it a little bit more creamier. And when you're done processing, you could add salt and maybe a teaspoon of honey or a tablespoon of honey, whatever you like. I'm probably going to add some honey to it because it's pretty bland. I mean, it basically tastes like smooth almond paste, like what you would think of almonds taste like. There's really not much to it. And I don't use salt, so I'm probably going to just use a little bit of honey in the refrigerator, to put in the refrigerator. So that's how I make almond butter. Let me know in the comments below how you like to make your almond butter, if there's additions that you like to make with it, or a recipe that you like to make with your almond butter. So put your comments below, and please share this video with your friends on Facebook and Twitter and stumble it, and please sign up for my newsletter to get more great videos in your inbox as soon as I make them. So this is Ann Hackman Green Talk. Thank you so much for watching my video.